Day one, when I walked into this place, they handed me my keys, and I went, somebody just gave me keys to like the world's biggest toy box. I mean, the history, the vibe that goes on in this building, this is Tempe, and those outstretched arms were to welcome everybody. You've parked, you're walking up, we've got our show posters everywhere, the buzz of everybody coming in. It's like coming home. And you can't help but get drawn in. You come into this building, you can't help but just get sucked into the magic. When it comes down to, theater, it hasn't changed much in hundreds of years. Ropes, sandbags, backdrops that were hand-painted. We still do all of that same stuff. Our technology's gotten better, our sound systems have gotten better, our lighting systems have gotten better. We use lasers, we use, projectors. When it comes down to it, there's a curtain, there's somebody pulling a rope, turning a light on. Theater is theater, and it really doesn't change much. That's what makes it great. 60 years of just people clapping, smiling. So you look at it, it's still Gammage. It takes an organization that really give 110%. A volunteer that is smiling at a patron as they're walking through the door sets that tone. Together, our marketing department, our development department, the box office staff, our front of house volunteers. We couldn't do anything in this building without that. It's all got to come together, and we're good at it. We're really good at it. Our mentality, I don't think, is going to change much. We are going to be as involved with the community as humanly possible. We are going to be authentic. It's memories. When I walked in on day one, I want that same feeling like nothing's changed. We are afforded a very unique opportunity to do what you love and continue this dream. These stories that people are trying to tell, they're important. And without them, I wouldn't want to live in that world.